Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 19th of November 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it. And also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, first of all, let me tell you, that we are moving ahead towards December in the next month, and the market is getting a bit slower because most of the traders are getting out of the market because they are on vacations. They are starting the vacations, so the market momentum will keep its momentum very slow. So however, it was a fine day with trading with the signals today, and I'm going to start today's analysis from AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD with a bullish expectation from 068076 and 068338 was the target price. Okay guys, you can clearly see that the market has clearly break our entry from here. This candle was closed above our entry, and then you can see the market hit the target price with no problem. So overall, after great patience, I congratulate all those traders who have taken the benefit on AUD USD, and I recommend all traders to have a patience within this period, because if you will be doing aggressive type of trading and you want very instant result during November and December, then this is not going to happen because the market will keep slower momentum. Okay, at next we are going to talk about USD Canadian dollar. So 200forexpips.com has predicted the bullish trend in case of USD Canadian dollar from 132,110 and 132,359 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market started to make the upward momentum, and it's almost going to hit the target price. So if you had traded the USD Canadian dollar pair in a bullish way, then you must be in a very good profit. Another massive profit that is taken on Great Britain pound JPY. Let me tell you, this signal is still on the way with a bearish expectation from 140686 and 139791 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market already breaks the entry and it's going towards the downward momentum. So if it continues the bearish activity like this, then it can reach up to 139717, and you can see the level is already drawn on my chart here. At next, let's talk about the Euro JPY. Okay guys, this signal is just on the way, and that's why I'm going to update you early with a bearish expectation on Euro JPY from 120264 and 119754 is the target price. And guys, you can see that Euro JPY is getting weaker, and we have also received a sell signal from the scalper in the form of a red arrow, and look, the market is making the downward momentum. However, the momentum remained very slow on Euro JPY as expected, because you know that trading is not very much good these days. Okay, a good momentum is seen today on AUD JPY, which is the last pair of my signals report, and 73951 was the bullish entry and 74289 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market exactly break the entry from here. This candle was closed above the entry, and then finally it has moved up. So overall guys, it was a satisfied day, and moreover, just note that the analysis will be less from my side, because the analysis is given when the market shows us some momentum. When the market does not show the momentum, then this is not going to happen that I'm going to give the analysis. Moreover, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. You can use the trading indicators during that period of time also, and you can also utilize my signals. I'm not saying that my signals are not good during that period. Signals will work, but you can say that the ratio can be bit lesser than as per the normal days when the market is in the quiet rhythm. So this is for the newcomers. You can see that there are two red boundaries on the chart. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. And if the scalper points you with the red arrow at the top red boundary, blue red boundary, then you can sell the pair. Then you can see the market has a drop. Whenever the candle closes below the middle dotted line, then it can go further down. Look, the market was quite dropped. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And look, this scalper does not repaint. I'm talking about the arrow indicator. So if you look at AUD JPY, the arrow indicator has provided you with a buy signal many hours ago in the form of white arrow, and then look how swiftly the market has went up. And guys, this is how we use a trading system. Moreover, the price monitor is there to help you. When it turns into green, it means times to buy. When it turns red, it means the time to sell, but it's normally used for very long trading. Okay guys, so if you are looking, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, If you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report is based on a trick, and if you want to learn this trick, I teach this trick for $700, and for all this you need to contact me on my personal email info@200forexpips.com. So guys, if you're interested in any of the service, then write to me on this email and I will definitely reply you and you will get your answer. Okay guys, let's see when our next video comes, because it depends on the market momentum, and I will keep you updated about the forex trading analysis. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.